We all know that reducing mine running costs is just as important as reducing our environmental impact. And we all know that gas-powered vehicles are cheaper, cleaner burning, and very safe. But implementing this new cost-saving technology into your current way of doing business can be seen as a potential minefield of regulations and complex procedural implementations until now. Welcome to Mine Energy Solutions, a joint venture between Sime Darby and iGas. We provide the complete solution package to allow your mine sites to make the move to a more cost-effective way of running your fleet. At Mine Energy Solutions, we don't just supply and retrofit your fleet with gas conversions, but we also manage the supply chain, the training, compliance, and legislation requirements, and partner with your team to make the transition seamless. At the New Hope Group's New Acland mine in Queensland, Maintenance Manager Coal Operations, Trent Knack, has had first-hand experience with working with us on implementing our systems into their mine site workflow, as well as specific safety management and operational plans.
So we saw a lot of value in the technology. We thought the technology was certainly very, very appetising and something we wanted to be a part of. We also saw a lot of opportunity, I guess, around our diesel usage. So obviously that comes with cost benefits as well as our carbon footprint and our emissions and particulates as well. So while there's, if we're burning less diesel, then we're obviously creating less emissions. And in doing so, we're obviously reducing our diesel particulate emissions as well, so which is very good from a health and safety perspective. So a lot of upside in the project, and I guess that's why we saw the opportunity and had such an appetite to want to get involved. Mine Energy Solutions are very aligned to New Hope Group in the way that we conduct our businesses. So that's a very positive place to start a relationship when you're looking at a project such as this. We're both values-driven organisations. We have shared goals, and we're both looking for the same things out of the project.
Mine Energy Solutions have brought together a team of skilled professionals from the resources sector with significant experience in executing complex projects. We have a robust and disciplined project management and execution framework that has been developed in association with our Pathfinder customers and is tailored to specific site requirements.
New Hope has always had and continues to have an appetite for innovation, which is an extremely positive thing from my perspective, and allows us to have an executive team that has the foresight to see what could be and the potential in projects such as this. So it didn't take a lot of selling with regards to that, because we have that culture, that culture and willingness to want to be on the front foot and want to deliver technology and system improvements in everything that we do. So it wasn't a very hard sell. And again, the technology is so, it is basic but yet so innovative at the same time, it just made sense. So if you couple that along with the potential upside in cost and diesel reduction and emission reduction, it certainly just aligns perfectly with what we're about as a business as well, and being a responsible mining organisation. The implementation has actually gone very, very well, and it's been done in such a structured manner that it's allowed ourselves to position ourselves for success. So because we've done that and attempted it and I guess embraced it with so much rigour and structure, the process has been, well, as close to seamless as it possibly could. The training side has been supported extremely well by MES, to the point where we've conjointly been able to take the information and deliver it in a format that's familiar to the site. And MES have been very, very forthcoming in helping us adapt that information into that format, and then also delivering and assisting us to deliver the training to our guys. So, resources are very tight. We run a lean business, but in doing so, we rely very heavily on our people and our contractors around us, and that's allowed us to deliver that message in a consistent manner that's consistent with all our training programs on site. All the feedback I've had to date is that the operators are actually unable to tell the difference between the operating modes of the truck itself. So if it's operating on diesel versus operating on the HCCNG technology, it is seamless. They actually find that there's no loss in power, there's no loss in speed, and certainly no loss in performance overall in the truck operation. So other than the light on the dash, from all feedback that I have, is that they're unable to actually tell which mode of operation the truck is in. there doesn't seem to be a lot of negatives because of the way that the case has been managed and the project has been managed. We like to look at the upside and what we can do and why we can do it rather than why we can't. And in applying that kind of thought process, and an MES are very much the same alignment, we're able to position ourselves and get the best outcomes, and I'm very excited about what this project can deliver for our business.
Mine Energy Solutions. We partner with you to reduce costs, reduce CO2 emissions, reduce wear and tear on your fleet, and reduce the implementation headaches associated with such changes. We have the power to save you time, money, and with our team of dedicated resource sector professionals, we can completely manage and implement the gas conversion systems into your current management plans with absolutely minimal hassle and workplace disruption. Mine Energy Solutions, driving partnerships through innovation.